Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but super useful tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove a repeater from your Wix website. Whether you're tidying up your layout or just want to simplify a page, by the end of this video you'll be able to confidently delete any repeater you no longer need, without stress, confusion, or fear of breaking anything important. So let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Wix website design. Just log into your Wix account and head straight to the editor where you can see your site's pages laid out visually. If you're used to tweaking content or dragging elements around, you'll find everything looks familiar here. Take a moment and let everything load completely. It makes editing a lot smoother. Now focus on finding the repeater you want to remove. For anyone who might not know, a repeater is a kind of container in Wix that helps you display multiple pieces of similar information, like lists of team members, product items, or testimonials, all with a consistent style and layout. Kind of like repeating the same structure over and over, but with different content. So look for the area on your page where this repeating set of boxes or sections appears. Sometimes repeaters are used for galleries or blog posts, so double-check if you're unsure. It's always worth pausing to confirm you're targeting the right element before deleting. Once you've located your repeater, go ahead and select it. You can just click directly on the repeater area and you'll see a blue outline or selection box appear to let you know you've got the right thing. If you click and something else is highlighted, try zooming in or clicking again slowly. Sometimes elements can overlap a bit in Wix's editor, and it just takes a second to get the right target. Take your time here. It's better to delete the correct item than to accidentally wipe out something you want to keep. Alright, with the repeater selected, you've got two options to remove it. The quickest way is simply to hit the delete key on your keyboard. When you do this, Wix immediately removes the repeater from your layout, just like tossing a piece of paper in the trash. But if you prefer more control or you're working on a laptop without an easy delete key, don't worry. You can also click right on the selected repeater and from the menu that pops up, choose Delete. Either method works perfectly. It's all about whatever feels most comfortable for you. That's all there is to it. Your repeater will vanish from the page, giving you that clean, customized look you're after. If you accidentally remove the wrong thing or have second thoughts, remember Wix has handy undo and redo buttons up at the top, so you can easily step back or forward and fix mistakes. It's a bit like erasing a pencil mark. Nothing is permanent until you hit publish, so feel free to experiment. And there you go, the repeater is gone, and your site is one step closer to exactly how you want it. If you're making bigger changes, just repeat these steps as needed for any other sections you want to tidy up. Keep exploring, keep building, and don't be afraid to try out new designs. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got questions about Wix, repeaters, or any other part of the process, drop a comment below. I love helping out. And if you'd like more tutorials and website building advice, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next one. Happy editing, and I'll see you next time.